Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Gabby and in today's video we're going to be making glittery snowflake earrings. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So we're going to start with white and pink glitter, and this glitter reminds me of fluffy snow in winter. So I'm just putting on the fine glitter first and making sure that majority of the surface is covered, and then I'm just going to sprinkle some chunkier glitter on top and pass it through past the machine to make sure that that glitter is stuck on the surface. And it looks so beautiful when it hits the light with the green and blue undertones. And then I'm just going to cut out the big and small snowflakes, and I use cling film to make sure that the polymer clay doesn't get stuck in the cutter, because that happened once and it was a pain to get it out and I completely ruined the snowflake. So learned my lesson. And then some of the polymer clay is still stuck to the surface or the sides, so I'm just using a needle tool to get it off, and I'm just going to do that for both small and big snowflakes. So it's time for the red glitter, and I'm using this a bit more like pinkish red glitter too for the chunky parts. So I'm just sprinkling it again, fine glitter first and then the chunkier glitter. And it looks so pretty again. And just cutting out the big and small snowflakes again with the cling film, and this time round one of the snowflakes decided to get stuck to the cling film, and we're going to then lift the rest of the polymer clay off to get the snowflakes out. And again, we're going to clean up the edges. And of course, Christmas collection has to have dark green glitter. And this actually reminds me of Christmas trees. And what's a good time to put up a Christmas tree? Because we have ours up already. And it's the tiniest little thing, but it still does the job. It has the same resemblance, right? And actually, since I moved out for uni, I've never had like a proper Christmas tree in my house. I always would go back to my parents and do the whole nice tree, put all the baubles and everything on. But I never actually had one at my like uni accommodation. And it's so pretty. I love how it looks in the light, honestly. It's my favorite thing with glitter. And once again, cling film, big small snowflakes, and peel. And we're on to our contestant number 4, silver glitter. And we have again fine glitter and chunkier glitter. I'm actually not sure whether the chunkier one counts as holographic glitter. I could spend hours and hours actually Googling the most random questions that I think of, but it does have a bit of a rainbow effect, right? Because it comes off with like different colors depending on the angle of the light that it hits. Is that how holographic glitter works? Either way, it's absolutely gorgeous, and I have to say it's one of my favorites actually. I do prefer silver more than gold because I'm quite pale and I just think that silver looks slightly better on me than gold, but feel free to prove me wrong. So our last glitter will be blue, and I really like this. We're going to just sprinkle the fine glitter on first, and then we're going to move on to the chunkier glitter. And I'm just using the brush to brush it in. I found it works a little bit better. I don't spill glitter everywhere on the table like I did before. And the chunkier glitter actually has some yellow pink glitter in it, and I absolutely love it. And once again, we're gonna cut out the snowflakes, peel it, and this peel was not perfect because that snowflake just flew away. And I tried to cut some of the workstation off. And we're just going to clean up the edges of the snowflakes again. And I'm using a blade tool, blade cutter, whatever you want to call this, sharp blade. What are they called? Precision blades? I think they're called precision blades, right? Anyways, I'm just using precision blade to cut out some of it because the bigger snowflakes had the tendency to keep a lot more leftover polymer clay where it shouldn't have been. So I'm just gonna cut that out, and then after baking it in the oven, as always, I'm just tidying up the edges using this file and filing all the rough edges and all the imperfections away. And then we're going to drill and drill with my hand drill, which with the video, it looks really easy and it looks fast, but it actually takes absolute ages because if you drill a bit too fast, you get a broken polymer clay piece, which I've done before. But yeah, it actually is such a slow process. You're trying to do it slowly and then onto the jump rings and assembling the pieces. So the green and red are going to have a gold ball pin earring posts, whereas the other three colours are going to have the silver ball pin earring posts. And then we're going to glue the stud backs onto the small snowflakes because they're all going to be studs and they're all in silver color. And now it's the try on and show part, and you can find these at foxandbunnyrise.com because we've launched them on the 1st of December with all other Christmas collection pieces which are going to come in the future videos, but you can check them out on our website because they're live now. And in real life you can see much more glitter than when you look at it through camera in artificial light, but it gets dark really early because it's winter, so time is not in my favor. And honestly, these are so gorgeous. I love them. I'm definitely getting a pair of these for myself. And this is what it looks like on me. And the studs are also very cute. If you'd like to check these out, I'll link our website in the description. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons. I will see you next week. Bye bye.